Welcome to Hope's Homemade Kitchen. Today we're making monkey bread. This is about the easiest recipe you can imagine using canned biscuits. Now I've been making this recipe for as long as I can remember, and it's so versatile. You can add nuts or raisins. It's absolutely delicious and perfect for a first-time recipe for kids. So let's get started and I'll show you the ingredients. The ingredients for the monkey bread are brown sugar, white sugar, canned biscuits, cinnamon, and butter. Now first you want to preheat your oven to 350 degrees, and then you need a Bundt pan. So I'm going to spray this Bundt pan really well. Even though it's non-stick, you can never be too careful. And we'll set that aside. Next I'm going to take a stick of butter. I'm just using salted butter. You can use salted or unsalted. And to that, I'm going to add 3/4 cup of packed brown sugar. I'm going to set this on the stove on medium-low. I want the butter and the sugar to melt together because this is what we're going to pour over our monkey bread mixture to make that wonderful caramely crust. Now next, you want to grab a Ziploc bag, a gallon-sized Ziploc bag, and put in 3/4 cup of granulated sugar and 1 tablespoon of cinnamon. We want that mixture to be nice and cinnamony. Just seal and mix that up. Now you can see this is really easy for kids. Now you want two 16.3 ounce cans of Pillsbury Grands biscuits. And we're going to be cutting these biscuits into quarters and dropping them in the sugar. This recipe comes together so quickly, perfect for a Saturday morning breakfast for the kids or even for the adults with coffee. So I'm just cutting these biscuits into quarters and I'm going to drop them right into that sugar. Just drop them in as you go and give them a little shake. You want all of those biscuits covered in cinnamon and sugar. Now this is the part that kids will enjoy. You can give them a butter knife and they can cut the biscuits. They can put the cinnamon and sugar in the bag and have fun shaking it, kind of like the old shake and bake. Okay, once I have all the biscuits in there, I'm going to seal that bag and just give it a really good toss. Make sure all of those biscuits are coated. Now you want your butter and sugar mixture to look like this. It doesn't have to be fully incorporated. You just want the butter melted and that rich caramely brown sugar in there will start to dissolve. Okay, we'll set that aside for a minute. So we've greased our pan very well. I just sprayed it with cooking spray. And now all of our biscuit pieces are very well coated in that cinnamon sugar. Now I'm just going to drop them right into the pan. Now, you can also add things to this. You could add in pecans. You could just put in some pecans at the bottom, some chopped pecans. You can do raisins. I'm just keeping it really basic today. Don't let that cinnamon sugar go to waste. Just go ahead and sprinkle it right on top. Now this recipe is so easy. Now all you do now is just pour that delicious butter and brown sugar mixture right over the top. Make sure all those biscuits are well coated. And that's going to bake into a wonderful caramely crust. Comment down below if you used to make this little treat growing up. It's a wonderful use for canned biscuits. Okay, there you go. We're going to put this into a 350 degree oven and bake it for about 35 minutes. While the monkey bread is baking, take a moment to see if you're subscribed to my channel. If not, I'd love to have you subscribe. Hit the bell for notification of more videos to come. I'd love to have you part of my YouTube family. All right, it's been 40 minutes at 350 degrees. Let's see how that monkey bread looks. Oh my goodness, that's beautiful. With the bubbly brown sugar, butter, and cinnamon. Looks so good. Okay, we're gonna let this cool on a rack for 10 minutes, and then we're going to turn it out onto a plate, and we'll see how we did. Okay, the monkey bread has been cooling on the rack for about 10 minutes. Let's try and turn this out now. Ooh, I don't know. Hopefully it released. Oh, a little bit of a stuck part. Look at that. Now it came apart a little bit, but it looks absolutely delicious. Look at that sugar. It's a pull-apart bread, and it already gave me a little start. Now for the taste test of the pull-apart monkey bread. But look at that. This is kind of a party bread. You can just eat it with your hands. That rich caramely sugar with cinnamon. That soft and pillowy biscuits in there. Really good. This is a perfect breakfast treat for a weekend morning. Get the kids and grandkids involved in making it. They'll love it. I really hope you try this. It is super easy and so good. Thanks for joining me today as we made monkey bread. We'll see you next time.